Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I apologize that I'm doing a voiceover, but it was so hot that I needed my air conditioning to stay on. This is the Soul Sampler August 2019 box, and it's called Sparkle and Shine. And I'm covering up the coupon code, but there's 20% off the layer cakes. And that little pamphlet shows everything that's inside. The first item is Oh So Clean brush and cloth set, and it retails for $8.98. It's for your sewing machine. 2 brushes, a longer bristle. This is a longer bristle, little softer, and then a like a buffing cloth. And it has a nice quilt pattern on it. It's nice to keep next to your sewing machine just to keep it in tip-top shape. The next item is Tear Perfect Maker Tape. It values at $8.98, and you can tear it. It says all-purpose for sewing, quilting, crafts, hobbies, and more. So I'm interested in to use this. I'll have everything listed below. This is the mini stash and sew store, and we've got the bigger one before, and I absolutely love it. So this is a cute little one. It's lime colored, and I'm excited to use this. I'll be bringing in the one that I have on my desk right now. And it has my card making supplies and also tweezers and things like that stuck in there. And I always have it on my desk. So now the little one will be used for something else. The next item is the pattern called the Diamond Divide Quilt Pattern. Value at $9.98, and I like it. It has pops of rainbow color. 60 by 72 inch quilt, and I'm assuming that we're getting that Violet Craft Modern 10-inch layer cake in here. The next thing out is the Goodness Grows block number 5 pattern, valued at $4.98. And I really like it. It's by Corey Yoder, and I'm really liking it this time. I have not made any of them because my sewing machine, unfortunately, is tucked away. The next thing is the fabric. It's called the Petite Violet Craft Modern Classics 10-inch squares, value $18.98. And this is the fabric you can use for the pattern Divide. And you can see that it is rainbow color. So let's go through them really quickly. First one is a dusty pink. Next is like a fuchsia, a dark red, bright red, kind of a peach, coral color, orange, bright yellow, citrine, kind of a lime green, a yellow green, green, a aqua, teal, like a turquoise, blue, dark gray, light gray, just a gray, a black. So that's it. I really like the patterns, as it's small, so it'll blend in with whatever you use this fabric for. But I like it. Here's all of the items that we received. I'll put the total value in the description so that I put how much we got a discount by getting the box. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. I appreciate you very much. Thank you. Enjoy. Bye for now.